Have you ever wondered how you can find your way home without a map, or why you never get lost in your favorite shopping mall? Well, it turns out there's a sophisticated compass in your brain that's hard at work. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of neuroscience to explore how specific types of neurons, such as place cells, grid cells, and head direction cells, help us navigate our surroundings with incredible precision. Stay tuned to discover the brain's hidden GPS system. There is a compass in our brain too. What do scientists tell us about it? Recent scientific research shows that a compass-like mechanism works naturally in our brain, which gives us a sense of direction. According to this, we understand where we have to go. However, this ability is less in some and more in others. Have you ever wondered how we remember directions? They can guess the environment around them and how and where to go. How a natural sense of direction comes to us automatically. Scientists say that there is a compass in our brain, which helps us in finding direction. According to a new study published in the journal Nature Human Behavior, researchers have identified a pattern of brain activity that helps keep us from wandering off. A study by a team from the University of Birmingham and Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich has succeeded in showing for the first time that our body and brain contain something like a neural compass, which the human brain uses to navigate itself through the environment. Such a circuit also exists in the brain of animals. The first author of the study, Dr. Benjamin J. We know that animals like birds, mice, and bats have neural circuitry that keeps them on track, Griffith said, but we know surprisingly little about how the human brain manages this in the real world. How scientists found the compass in the human brain. To overcome the challenge of measuring neural activity in humans while walking, researchers used mobile EEG devices and motion capture technology. A group of 52 healthy participants took part in a series of motion tracking experiments. Their brain activity was then recorded through scalp EEG. In future work, researchers will try to examine how the brain navigates through time to find out whether similar neuronal activity is responsible for memory. How does it work? Researchers suggest that the brain may use neurons to simulate a desired direction in the brain without actually moving. They believe that head direction cells switch from one role to another so that they can tell where you are now and where the right path is heading before following the target direction. Some have less and some have more of this ability. The strength of activity in this area of the brain is linked to a person's navigation skills, which is less in some and more in others. This is also the area of the brain that is one of the first to be damaged by diseases such as Alzheimer's, which may explain why getting lost and confused is a common early problem in sufferers. What does a compass do? The job of a compass is to find the main directions. It has a magnetic needle that can rotate freely. When the compass is placed at any place, the magnetic needle rotates in the north-south direction. The red arrow of the compass needle is called the North Pole and the other end is called the South Pole. Simply put, a compass is an instrument that tells directions like north, south, east, and west. These are also known as cardinal directions. Who created the compass? Historians believe that the first compass was made by the Chinese around the 1st century. However, historians are not sure about its exact origin. The first compass was made from lodestone during the Han Dynasty of China, 202 BC, 220 AD. Lodestone is a naturally magnetic stone of iron. Chinese scientists may have developed the navigational compass in the 11th or 12th century. Western Europeans also followed suit at the end of the 12th century. How many types of compass are there? There are two main types of compass: magnetic compass, Eurocompass. A magnetic compass consists of a magnetic element, a needle or a card, that adjusts itself along the magnetic lines of the Earth's magnetic field to point to the Earth's magnetic poles. The needle of the magnetic compass is made of steel, which can be magnetized for a long time. Isn't it amazing how our brains have their own built-in navigation system? From the groundbreaking discoveries of place and grid cells to their implications in understanding diseases like Alzheimer's, the brain's compass is truly a marvel of nature. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible aspect of neuroscience, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the human brain and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, then press the like button and hit subscribe button for more interesting content like this.